Hello from Dainytes!
Welcome back to our weekly vlog.
And today we're gonna cover one very cool topic. In the world full of choices, how do we actually choose the right makeup? Especially to fix my face today.
It is hard, but it is not impossible. We are fortunate, basically, having a lot of choices in life, but sometimes it can be difficult.
But for example, for a person like me who has no clue about makeup, well, I have Ruta who is a master of makeup and she's been buying makeup for years and testing everything, and you actually do have a passion for makeup.
Yeah, I do.
So for you, let's say, how do you choose makeup? Like, what are you doing now?
This is new Lisa Pinpoint Concealer. I love when professional makeup artist releases the kind of tools fit for purpose. This is to pinpoint imperfections on your face, and I'm talking about like a spots, redness you have next to your eyes. It is absolutely amazing because this is fuller coverage and I love it. This is like makeup, best makeup in this month. I don't know, maybe we should do the series, the current favorites. So this is a current favorite, okay?
Is this like your favorite of the favorites?
Yeah, because this is the only one in the market. This is the first and only one in the market. It's for the pinpoint concealing, and I think to use this for like events, weddings, when you want your skin to look still like your skin, but obviously cover these naughty bits, this is literally amazing. I highly recommend.
Maybe we can show like in the better. Oh, this it has nothing.
Yeah, I know. I think it was the first batch, and there is literally no
label.
name, no label, but it's Eliza Eldridge Pinpoint Concealer in shade 2. I think we ever could do a bit darker, but I don't have it, so she's gonna just have to deal with it. We're gonna show the final face later.
Because I have a lot of breakouts lately, and Ruth was like, just come and bring all of them with you. We're gonna fix it.
Close your eyes, darling.
So my question is, how do you choose a person who has a knowledge, who's constantly researching for new bits? How do you select the right ones?
Okay.
Like, what is the key here?
All right, so I'll just share my approach. I know it's not same for everyone perhaps, but this is purely my opinion. Always, first of all, know yourself, okay? What fits you the best? You really need to eliminate the choices out there, because the choice isn't it's overwhelming. It's insane. Even I struggle. But for example, if we are talking about foundation, okay, when I look for foundation myself, I have a very sensitive, rosacea prone, oily skin, okay, so any product can cause me huge irritation. When I look online, I always look at the influencers or YouTubers who literally focuses on and has similar skin to me, let's say. Maybe not everybody will have, but at least I can narrow it down, so I know myself very well. If a girly with a drier skin recommends me foundation and telling me how amazing it is, it lasts well, it's not gonna work for me, because she needs a foundation that has a lot of hydration. I do need that, but not to that level.
Like, for example, me, I need completely different foundation.
100%. And you don't have such a sensitive skin. You don't even need the powder. You have a very well-balanced skin, in my opinion. You get shiny a little bit sometimes, but not to the level that it's crazy. Where me, it's different. So when I look YouTube videos, when I do research, I always start from myself. I don't look what is trendy. I don't look at the new like releases or wherever. I really do the research that is already have sometimes true and tested products that are tested and works well. Especially when makeup artists recommend. They work with a lot of different skins. That's why when I watch YouTube in makeup as well, I look at Eliza Eldridge, Andrea Ali.
Like people that you love and trust.
I love and trust, and I know these people work with a lot of different faces, and sometimes they say, okay, this is a foundation, it's great, but it's better maybe for oily skin or for the drier skin or something like that.
Okay, that makes sense. And for example, if someone does not watch YouTube,
okay,
how they can find their own like best brands to use? Like, would you say it's always worth going to the shop instead of buying online and ask for
100%.
advice? The one thing that we learned is that for the foundation, because of lighting is so bad in so many places, beauty places, we always, when we're trying new foundation, we always ask for like a little tester to bring it home and try it at home in our daylight, like in our home light, to see how it actually looks, if the color fits, because you bought quite few.
Oh my god, I wasted so much money. I'm using Chanel bronzer, Forever Classic, never fails. You see?
I have this too.
Yeah, we always come back to classics. Do you have a mascara by any chance?
I do.
Okay, because I don't have it. You always come back to classics, true and tested and loved. Sorry, what other product? What I loved was this Liza Eldridge. It has a matte, beautiful finish and a beautiful color. This is a color Phoebe. I love this color. Very like this everyday neutral makeup. I love it. It lasts long. It like smoothed out the lids. Look how pretty you are.
It.
Yeah, and you only need that. Let me put the camera closer. I hope you can see. It's just a little bit. It's not too much, nothing too crazy, but I love it. So always get the tester. If the shop doesn't have it yours. You can go to the shop and say, I have extremely sensitive skin and I cannot do the makeup trial in the shop because sometimes I don't trust even nothing personal, but I burned a bit before, so I'm like, I will do it myself at home. So I was testing one yesterday, by the way.
How is it?
Not well.
Well,
not for my skin, darling. And it's Dior Forever Matte that's been raved about, how amazing it is for the oily skin, it's long lasting, blah 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 bullshit. It didn't work for me at all. I am not the person who is willing to change my skincare routine to adapt to foundation as well. To me, this is crazy. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Maybe your foundation needs to adapt to your skincare routine.
But that's exactly true. I'm sorry, but this is, to me, it's...
what is this? Looks like lollipop.
It is jelly.
No, it looks like jelly.
Another favorite is this. I know I've been influenced, okay? I've been influenced, and it's true, and sometimes I am. But this is Milk Makeup jelly blush that it's in this beautiful color spritz. Ladies, this shit lasts.
Really?
Oh my god. For oily skin that, you know, it's office tested.
So you can't really say it's shit because it lasts.
No, this is good. I'm talking about foundation.
You said this shit
lasts. No, this shit lasts. That's true. Yeah. It's this shit lasts. What I'm trying to say, I'm doing the best test for the product is when I go to office. I go to the office and I call it an office test.
Oh my god, this is the worst because of conditioning, heating.
Yes, but this is when you see if the products really work. Not like you at home trying new foundation.
I come back a different person from the office because my makeup is totally gone.
Yeah, sorry, I'm like, okay, this is not the best setup, but like, I mean...
Be left-handed for one day.
I will, okay.
Look. Do it.
I'm feeling a disaster. Okay, so this blush really lasts well. I love the color and it has a bit of a cooling effect. I don't know if it ever feels. Smile just a little bit. I wanna. Okay.
I feel nothing.
Oh my god, bloody hair! You're gonna have like a pink hair. So this is.
You know, we're gonna need to beep this video every other sentence.
I stand by
bloody beep. Bullshit beep.
I stand by what I say. Okay. Because I tested and I was disappointed, but I tested because I'm looking for foundations for my wedding. The makeup I will do myself, and I intend to film it, but we will see.
Ruta is so good with makeup.
Okay, so I can spend this video is gonna be 45 minutes.
She's done my wedding makeup, and we're going to put a photo because this definitely deserves an award, best makeup artist. And the reason why I chose Ruta for my wedding is because she's the only person I can truly trust the best, and she would make me the prettiest.
Coming back to foundation topic, always test, always at home, like Ella said, and it is super important so you don't waste your hard-earned money, and don't follow trends, guys. I know you want to try And I'm the same. I want to try every product in the world, but
and she's the person, by the way, who bought this.
Yes.
For me and her.
And
that is a trend.
Okay, but do you like it?
I really do.
Me too. So
however, I investigated ingredients for quite some time, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. I don't do that, but
because I'm
I'm
obsessed, so I need to check every ingredient.
Okay. No, but it's fair enough. And what is the decision?
For that? I haven't done enough investigation, but apparently, like, I'm just trying to see, because they don't really have tests done. It's a new technology that they use.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously,
it's a stain, no?
initial thought, yeah, but like every stain is toxic. But because it is made with natural ingredients, at least that's what they say on the package. I still need to dig a bit deeper and see if these natural ingredients have anything to do with like toxicity.
Okay, so to our makeup approach, we have the health test and we have the office test, okay? Office test, handle this, and until Eva tells me otherwise, I am using this, guys, because I am at this, my approach to makeup, it's classic, simple, and fast. I don't do makeup more than 10-15 minutes. I just don't. Okay, I don't even have time. So to me, products need to work. So this month's favorite, this milk jelly, because it's beautiful. Look how pretty.
Yeah.
It's
actually really.
It's really pretty, and it lasts all day, guys. Even on my oily falling apart skin after like 5 hours. Pinpoint concealer, Lizard Eldridge. Yes, yes, and yes.
I need to get this one.
Oh, 100%.
This one I have, but different shade.
Yes, and Eva has this different shade. I had this for a while. It's like an eyelid base. Love it. Using it daily, easy blonde. You can even apply with a finger. This is my favorite, but it's not this month's favorite. It's nothing new. Even though it was released quite new. And I love this shade. It's again Lisa Eldridge in shade Lisa. And I think on Eva today, because she's having
So you have a lip tint today, no?
I have a lip tint, but I have a Dior one that was gifted to me by my bestie.
Lip tint?
Yes, this one. Again, this is a lip tint from Dior. I really like this color.
I like it. I thought that you were using this one.
No. I'm using this one because this is a bit more pinky. This one is a little bit more this like brownie burnt like rose, but it has warm shades. All the makeup we are showing you guys today has a warm undertone. I think this is so important when you're buying the makeup. Understand what suits you, and I'm talking about undertones. Don't give in trends where you see sometimes girls doing this like a dark cool tone makeup. It's not gonna look good if you are very warm. It would look ridiculous if I would follow these trends, you know?
Love it.
Yeah, so what kind of, I didn't do like, we're just chatting and I'm doing a light-handed makeup whenever, but what I was trying to kind of
left-handed.
Honestly, look, even with this I can do it, but let's see if I can come, sweetie. Let's just see. Look at you.
My god, this light makes me I'm not sure.
Very simple, but I think it's
I'm basically ready for the day, so now
you can have exactly, you can have outside, have a nice weekend, all
I
of
love
that.
simple makeup. Like for me, makeup needs to take no more than 10 minutes. I cannot handle. I have 6 products, so we are very different, but I have her, so she tests everything and then she says, okay, this works best for you. If you don't have bestie like her, then I guess the choices are huge out there.
Yeah.
So you just need to know your skin tone.
Yeah. You know yourself.
Know
your skin tone. Really be realistic about your skin in general. I'm an oily girl. I'm
very dry here. Really dry.
Your skin is more dry than oily. So whatever you pick that is suited for your skin tone. Not because the brand released a new product, you need to go for it. Does it really fit your face, and stuff like that? And go, in my advice as well, always look at your shades. Warm, cold, how strong or light it can be. Yeah. And it applies for every skin color, girls and boys at the same time. It is so important again, because sometimes some products are released more on the cooler shade and you don't think it about, I want to try because it's new, but Does it really suit your face? Then you end up not wearing.
Then I have a question. So how to detect your skin tone?
Okay.
For someone who doesn't know, like what would be options?
As we talked in our previous video about the clothes, to remember the best investment
Gold
we did?
and silver.
Yeah, so you can even explain.
I have no clue, you explain.
For the face, is the same for the clothes. Me and Eva, we are light spring. It means we are neutrals leaning towards warm. What it means is that if the gold looks better on you or warmer shade clothes, it means you have this warm undertone. So when you go pick foundation, for example, lipstick, blush, anything then we pick, let's say, it has to has a warm tone. So if it's pink or corally, it needs to be warm corally, okay? If it's if it's brown, it needs to be warm brown, because you can have cold and warm brown. Like this. Yes, it's beautiful.
This is warm red. This is like really bright kind of red, but warm
it's a
red.
warm red. You only need 1 or 2 products in each category. Blush, you can have powder cream, you know, foundation, you can have very light everyday foundation and something a bit stronger coverage when you go out. That's it, guys. You don't need 20 foundations.
I have 2 foundations.
I have
one for summer and one for winter.
Yeah, at the moment I literally have one and I'm using until I'm finishing it, until I find the combination that works for my wedding day, which I'm working on it.
I can do makeup for you.
You could probably. I would trust you.
I wouldn't trust me.
Yeah, she would be more stressed than me, but anyway.
I wouldn't trust me. Well, we
so
hope that
let's go by. Let's go by the window. Here we go. Okay, you see, very natural, everyday makeup.
How
beautiful,
like this.
So yeah,
you see, like the cheeks and everything.
Cheeks are cheeking.
Formed already. It's perfect, and it's so easy. Like she took a longer time because she was chatting, but otherwise it takes like 10 minutes.
No, what I did on you would take me like 5 minutes because of almost nothing, which is a bit of a blush and eye. But I think this is more than enough. You don't need more. Look how pretty.
And you as well. So you have same makeup.
Yeah.
Well, we really hope that this was helpful.
Or it's just like easy chat, you know?
Easy chat, how we choose the makeup. Because actually we've been asked so many times. It's cool to share the knowledge, and it's cool to share Ruta's knowledge.
And if you guys like this type of videos or me doing makeup on Eva videos, I can definitely do more and share the products I like or the looks I do on her, because it's limitless. But I know there are a lot of makeup videos, so I don't know. Unless you would like, we're gonna definitely do it because this will be a pleasure.
Yes.
All right.
All ours. Well, bye from Dainytes and see you next time.